This is Ryan with Parts Doctor. In this video, I'm going to show you to replace the duct door spring on your GE refrigerator. If you need to buy a new duct door spring for your refrigerator, check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. Since we'll be working on the refrigerator's electrical components, disconnect power to the refrigerator. The duct door assembly is located here, behind the dispenser touchpad. To remove the dispenser touchpad, first remove these two screws using a Phillips head screwdriver. Then gently slide the assembly down and pull it forward. Be careful as it's still connected by wires. Disconnect the electrical connectors by depressing the locking tabs. Also, disconnect the electrical connector from the duct door motor and remove it from the retainer on the ice funnel. Then, pull the water line out of the retaining slot on the ice funnel. Next, remove the ice funnel by depressing the locking tabs on the top right and bottom left corner. The duct door motor assembly is held in place by these two retainers. In order to remove it, you'll need to firmly grab both the motor and duct, then pull from the right side. Once released, remove the pin on the left side. Remove the spring by sliding it off the retainer. If you need to purchase a new duct door spring, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure that you're searching with the model number from the tag on your refrigerator to make sure you get the correct part. To install, insert the spring back onto the retainer. Align the pin on the left side with the retainer on the dispenser housing while depressing the spring. Rotate the right side back into place, release the spring, and press to snap back into the retainers. Reinstall the ice funnel by angling slightly downward and inserting back into the retaining slots. Press until it snaps back into place. Reinstall the water line by inserting and pressing down. Then, reconnect the motor electrical connector and place back into the retainer on the funnel. Next, reconnect the electrical connectors to the dispenser control board. Align the tabs from the touchpad with the slots on the door. Then slide upwards into place. Then reinstall the two screws. That's it for this video. If you learned something new, hit that like button. And if you enjoy fixing things and want to see more videos like this or these, please consider subscribing.